Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over some deals that y'all can do all week long, plus a little deal that I threw together that worked out to be a money maker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, new glitches, tons of new clearance markdowns, plus tons and tons of visuals. We have that clearance event coming up right around the corner, plus don't forget about all those surprise pennies from the last couple of weeks. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, jumping right in, today is Sunday, February the 25th, and as you all know, we do receive new digital coupons on our Dollar General accounts every single Sunday. So I did upload the new coupons video earlier today showing you all exactly which coupons I clipped to my account, and also a few that I did not clip to my account because we have higher values or whatever the case may be. But anyways, if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go back and check it out. I talked about a lot of different deals that we can do this week at DG, including the fact that DG gave us all of these new DG store coupons, which we can stack and use with manufacturer coupons. Now, I do have a few scenarios all ready to go, so y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that video. It will be coming up for you all shortly. And also, I'm very curious to see if any of these DG store coupons will stack with our 525s on Saturday. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. Now, if y'all have been following me for a minute, you know I really don't like putting out videos with just one single deal in them. I like to pack in as much as possible because I know our time is precious. So let's go over a few more weekly deals. I just want to make sure that everybody is aware. We still have the instant savings on the Colgate, Palmolive, Irish Spring, and Soft Soap. You're going to instantly save $5 when you spend $15. And we do have digital coupons that you can stack with that instant savings deal. Now, we also have a couple of really good buy one, get one free deals as well this week. Here we have the Breeze pads. These are normally priced at $4.50 each. They're on sale this week. Buy one, get one free. So no coupons needed. You're going to pay $4.50 for two. And then we also have a buy one, get one free on the Rubbermaid take-alongs. These are normally priced $4.50 to $5 each. Buy one, get one free, no coupons needed. You can do this deal all week long, or you can wait until Saturday and throw it in with your 5 off 25s. All right, now up next we have an instant savings on Suave products. This does include the shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and deodorants. You're going to instantly save $2 when you purchase two. Plus, we have a little digital coupon deal. So if you want to pick up these Suave Essentials, shampoos, or conditioners, there are different scents that you can choose from. These are priced at $2. We have a one-off-one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $1. But if you want to do a little instant savings deal, go ahead and pick up two. That's going to put you at $4. Use the one-off-one digital coupon plus the instant savings. That is going to leave you paying $1 for two, making those just 50 cents each. Now, next up, we did receive a new 4 off 1 digital coupon on the Airwick Advanced Warmers. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that is going to make it completely free. Next up, we also have a 4 off 1 on our Bic razors. This coupon is working on the Bic Easy Rinse razors. They are on sale this week for $6.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. Plus, we do have a $4 DG cashback offer. So if those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.50 moneymaker. Now, I want to be really clear with this because I know that a lot of people are still confused about the DG cashback offers. I have already put together a video, a how-to video on DG Cash, pretty much going over everything that you need to know to get started, how to earn it, how to use it at the registers, all of the things. So if you want to go and check out that video, it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. But I do want to go ahead and make this really clear that if we use a coupon in the store and we also receive the cash back, that is a glitch deal. It's not supposed to work like that. If we use a coupon, we are not supposed to get the cash back. But as we all know, it usually stacks and works, and we usually get the cash back. Now, some people will tell you that the coupons and the cashback will only stack and glitch at old register stores. Well, I'm here to tell you that they always stack and work for me. It doesn't matter if I'm at a self-checkout, a new register, or an old register. I always get the cashback even when I use a coupon. So my advice would be, if you have an old register and you want to play it safe, go to the old register store and pick up this deal. If you do not have an old register available to you and you only have self-checkout and the new registers, just go try it out and see if it works in your area. If it doesn't work and you don't get the cash back, you can always return the item later and get your money back. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the breakdown for the deal that I did this morning at DG. I actually got paid for shopping this morning. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Bic Easy Rinse Razors at $6.50, one of the Airwick Warmers at $4, two of the Suave shampoos, that's going to put you at $4, and your subtotal will be $14.50. The coupons that you're going to need is the 4-off-1 Bic Razors, 4-off-1 Airwick Warmer, and the 1-off-1 Suave. That's going to leave you paying $3.50 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back that $4 in DG cash. So that's going to make your final price completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, you guys can do this deal all week long as we have that DG cashback offer. It unfortunately is a limit of 1 per account. And I also want to say that on that offer, it does say it is expiring soon. They did not give us an exact date or time, so make sure that y'all get out there, get in on this deal while we have it before it is gone, and get paid to shop at DG this week. And of course, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan in those receipts to fetch rewards, because Suave is a part of their program, so you should receive a few bonus points on those products. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a few more extra welcome bonus points. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.